This is the main window. The background is black, like you're seeing. You can change it from these buttons to red, green, gray, which color you like. Here you have the status bar. The menu is indifferent user control. This is the design. Browse, play, pause, and stop. And here you have the XML. You have the buttons, like you're seeing. When you click browse, the file dialog open. When you click play, it displays, etc. The code of the menu is here. When you click browse, an open dialog opens to browse the video. When you click play, the video plays and show that the video is playing. And when you click pause, it shows the video that is pausing and stopping. The code of the main window is here. You can change, here is changing the background and the foreground of the background status bar for the play and the buttons and stops. This is how the program works. You browse from here, select a movie or film, what you want to see, play from here, it's playing and it's showing that it's playing. You can change the layout, pause from here or stop here, play, stop and browse. That's all, thank you, bye.